Hello, everyone, and welcome to Am I an Entrepreneur? The Joys of Being Self-Employed. Being an entrepreneur, it's not always everything it's cracked up to be. There are some things that people aren't going to tell you about being an entrepreneur, and that's the secrets that I'm going to share with you today. Everybody tells you how horrible it is to be an employee. I'm going to ask you a question. How terrible is it truly? You work for someone else, that's true. However, you do have a stable income, you get paid time off, your benefits are covered, and they give you free training. As an entrepreneur, you are self-employed. You get paid only when people buy what you have to sell. And all of those other things like paid time off, your benefits, training, all of those things, they come out of your pocket. However, the biggest difference is you are in control. And there's a lot to be said for that. I'm going to give you a huge caution. Take off your rose-colored glasses so that you can truly enjoy the entrepreneur life. Remember, there are a couple of facts. You're not going to wake up tomorrow morning with a Lamborghini in your driveway, as much as you wish you could. There are no get-rich-quick schemes, just plain old-fashioned hard work. But it's the good kind of hard work, the kind that makes you feel like you've accomplished something. Be ready to try more than one thing. Be open to new ideas and to learn. Invest in yourself. So many people don't. They think it's just going to earn money right away. So do you have what it takes? Are you prepared for the hard work that it's going to take to be that entrepreneur, to have that successful business? I think you might. I personally recommend affiliate marketing. I think it's the easiest way to get started. Now, nothing is free in life. I'm never going to tell you it is, but it is probably the lowest initial investment that you will have to get started in any business that's out there. You have to treat it like a business. You want to get your training, you're going to join affiliate programs, and you're going to earn money while working your day job. And that's the trick. That's what people don't tell you. When you first get started, you're going to want to keep your day job. Couple of disclaimers: any types of earnings that are shared are not typical. They're, based on the hard work of myself or other individuals. So just want to make sure everybody understands that nothing is free. Your entrepreneur path, you're going to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to try more than one thing, because guess what? You're probably not going to be hitting a home run out of the gate. Again, it takes hard work, but you put in enough hard work and you will have success. The entrepreneur path might not be straight, it might not be easy, but at the end of the day, the rewards are tremendous. So everyone's going to follow their own path. In the next video, we're going to take a peek at what it takes to get started to do affiliate marketing. I want you to seriously think about what are your passions, why you're doing this, because that's what's going to make you get from point A to point B. I'll catch you in the next video, Affiliate Marketing, Avoiding the Pitfalls. Have a great day.